Hey Grace, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating lawnsmith.com, because if you look up Dallas Roofing, these guys show up right at the top above the map, and I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing so you can easily beat them. Now you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing companies that are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now lots of people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, Devin, I like you. I don't have time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, you did a fantastic job with the website. I love the drone footage or the drone photographs you guys have. Those are very unique, pretty modern looking photos, and a lot of people don't get to have those themselves. A lot of roofers don't invest in that. So great job. It's a clean looking website. You have a really nice color scheme that matches. It's an all around, it's a great looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all of this content that you can read. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to be sitting. If I copy all of your content, I paste it into this word counter, you can see you have 195 words. While if we look at Lawnsmith, these guys have 1,055. So by getting yourself up to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, and it's going to allow you more room to fit in keywords. A keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I found some for you here. Dallas Roofing, 600 people search that every month. Dallas Roofer, that's another 600 people. Dallas Roofers, that's 500 people. So imagine just those 3 keywords. If you were number 1 in front of 1,700 people who wanted to purchase roofing in Dallas every month, that would completely change your business, right? And so that's why it's important to put keywords inside of your content like Dallas Roofing. I see you have Dallas Local Roofing Company. That's pretty close. I would put like Dallas Roofing Company or Local Dallas Roofing Company. That way you at least fit that exact keyword in there. You can also put it in your title up here. And then you can also save your images as, instead of transparent background too, this could be saved as Dallas Roofing. And that'll all help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot better results having other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. And so the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker. You'll see the same information. It says you currently have 14 websites linking to you, while Lawnsmith has 330 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them. If these 330 websites are good enough to rank Lawnsmith, they're good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites, and just like they did, put a link on each website back to my own. A lot of times it's really simple. Like for example, Angie, you go on the website, you join their pro network, create a profile, put a link on your profile back to your homepage, and that's simple. You've already got a backlink from Angie. So it's really simple. It just takes a little bit of time, but once you beat them in content and you copy them in backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. But I've got one last tip for you, and that's how to show up right here in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number into a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories New View Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if New View Roofing was in like 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful, Grace. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords in there like Dallas Roofing, Dallas Roofer, stuff like that. Then you're going to want to take the websites that are linking to Lawnsmith and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than New View Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, Grace, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. If you go this route, it's a great route to go. I recommend you get started as soon as possible. The sooner you start, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are currently doing this. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, Grace, it was great speaking to you on the phone. I hope you found this video very helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see ya.